beverage industry, maintaining consistent product quality is more important than ever. Yet many manufacturers face challenges such as temperature fluctuations, process inefficiencies, and inconsistent product quality. This is where NETSQUARE helps manufacturers with advanced process control and digitization expertise. Eurotherm delivers advanced process control solution. From precision drives and servo systems to intelligent automation technologies, enabling smart control panel, digital transformation, and greater visibility across production processes. Operators gain real-time access to critical production data and process conditions. Advanced monitoring and secure data recording support compliance, traceability, and energy efficiency. With Eurotherm NanoDAC controllers and 6180A data recorders, manufacturers achieve precise and reliable process control.